नबी के दीवाने मस्ते होंगे नबी के
तो सबसे पहले मैं जनाब सगीर अहमद साहब एडवोकेट साहब से गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो तशरीफ़ लाएं और मुख्तसर वक्त में अपनी बात अर्ज़ करें।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Actually, I became too much happy to see this program today. Alhamdulillah, here in need of such a program, here in need of to learn so many languages, to work the work of Tabligh in all the world. Or Alhamdulillah, just what I saw here, I became much impressed to see that here are the people, there are some people who are thinking about the language learning, and Alhamdulillah, I became much impressed to see the program, to hear, to listen the speech by the students here who are learning. I thank to all of you. May Allah accept your try, and once again, I welcome to all of my guests. Thank you too much.